Pleasant morning, everyone. I am R. Padma Devi, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science, KCS Kasinada College of Arts and Science. In this video, I am going to discuss about Introduction to Visual Basic, Basic Programming Concepts, Features of Visual Basic IDE. Basic programming concepts, we are going to see about programming in C. So you all would have learned about programming in C. So it is a procedural language. It is used to develop softwares and it is a platform dependent language. It has a low access to the memory and consists of keywords, and it was developed by the Dennis Ritchie in the year 1972. Next, we are going to see about C++. So it is an object-oriented programming language. It consists of OOPS concept. It supports OOPS concept such as classes, objects, inheritance, encapsulation, abstraction, etc. And it is also a platform-dependent language. C++ is used to develop the desktop applications, servers, etc. So example softwares are developed with the C++ is e-commerce, web search, SQL servers, and so on. So and it is used to develop the games also. Example snake game, that is graphic tic-tac-toe is one of the game developed using the C++. Major implementations are Microsoft Visual C++, Intel C++, compiler, etc. Next is programming in Java. It is a high-level programming language. It is based on C and C++. Once the Java source code is interpreted, bytecode is generated. Bytecode is a platform independent. So, in turn, which makes the Java platform independent language. Next, we are going to study about Visual Basic. So far, we studied about C, C++, and Java. Now we are going to move to the Visual Basic. Why Visual Basic? Let us see now. Visual Basic is a graphical user interface that is user friendly. So user can easily access all the applications. All the applications are displayed as small icons in the desktop. So we are moving to Visual Basic. Windows is one of the examples of graphical user interface. Here we have all the applications in an icon representation. So user can easily access the application. Introduction to Visual Basic. Alan Cooper developed Visual Basic in 1988 and sold to Microsoft. Visual Basic is a programming tool that is used to develop the Windows or graphical user interface applications. It is a user-friendly programming language. We can simply drag and drop the objects into the form window. VB is an event-driven programming language used to develop Windows applications and to interface database systems. So it is a user-friendly programming language. It enables anyone to develop GUI Windows applications easily. And the most powerful advantage of Visual Basic is it is easy to use. VB6 is simple because it can lead to quick development of application and it is simple to use with database. Now let us see how to use Visual Basic 6.0. To open Visual Basic 6.0, click on the Start icon and select All Programs. In All Programs, choose Microsoft Visual Studio 6.0. Under the Microsoft Visual Studio 6.0, select Microsoft Visual Basic 6.0. We will get a new project dialog box. In that, choose standard exe icon and click on open button. This is our Visual Basic 6.0 window. This is the page which we are going to develop the applications. So now let us discuss about the things in the Visual Basic 6.0. So everything is mentioned in the arrow mark here. So first one is the title bar, and next one is the menu bar. In that we have file, edit, view, project, format, debug, run, and so on. So and then next is the standard toolbar. We have the open icon, save icon, and many more options in that. And left hand side a small box is displayed, that is called the tool box, that consists of various tools which we are going to use to develop the applications. And in the middle of the page we have the form window and the project window. So we are going to place all the controls in the form window. And right hand side we have the project explorer window, form properties window, and form layout window. So these are areas we are going to work in the Visual Basic 6.0. So we have studied how to open a Visual Basic 6.0. So next is how to save a project. So similarly as how we save all the documents, Excel, everything, the same way we are going to save the project also. Click on the file menu and choose save project. Here the thing is we want to save both the form and project. First it will display the dialog box to save the form, and then again it will display the dialog box to save the project. So we want to give the name corresponding to the project. And next is execution of a project. How to execute a project? We have different ways to execute the project. So first one is simply we can just press F5 key in the keyboard. So the project will be executed. And second method is click on the start option in the run menu. And third type is we can just simply click on the run icon, that is play symbol in the toolbar. So to stop the execution we can press the stop icon, stop button displayed next to the play symbol, or else we can press the close button. Thank you.